Tell me if you've done this before. You open your refrigerator door or your cupboard, okay, and you just stand there. Yeah, I've done that, and I call it the fridge cupboard stare syndrome. I just made that up. But here's the thing, right? It's about habits. It's about time windows. It's about basically, what you put in the refrigerator in the first place or the cupboard. Here's why this happens. First, it's called decision fatigue. After a whole day of choices, with work, family, stress, by the time you hit the fridge, your brain is fried. You don't want to think anymore, right? You just want something easy. Second, choice overload. If your fridge looked like mine used to, random leftovers, mystery containers, that you're afraid to open, right? Your brain basically goes, loading, please wait. And third, it's all about visual cues, right? So whatever's right in front of you is usually what you grab, which means the way you stock your fridge or your cupboards, right, is literally the way you stock your future. Benjamin Franklin said it best. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. It's not just what's in the fridge, it's when you're opening it. If you're standing here after dinner, yeah, the fridge is closed. You're not actually starving. You're probably bored, tired, or just dehydrated. So that's when I grab water, tea, maybe even an extra coffee earlier in the day. But I'm not eating. Not if I care about energy, weight, and longevity. I have snacks, but I don't keep them at the house. They're going to work tomorrow. So I bought snacks for the whole week, but I'm not leaving them here because then I'm left with what's in there. And then I decide I want to grab an extra snack, and it's there. If it's not there, I can't eat it, right? So, because when I get home after 3 p.m. from work, I shouldn't be having any more snacks. I should have them all before then. The way my time windows goes and where my food plan goes. Why? Because when I get home after 3 p.m., my snack window is done. Dinner's at 4:30, maybe 5 or 6 at the latest. After that, nothing. Maybe a half an apple after dinner or something sweet, but that's it. And then that would be like very soon after dinner. So I'm not going to be eating it late after 7 or even 6:30. I'll probably have it at 6, But that's it, No more standing, and looking at the refrigerator. I remember I used to stand there frustrated, like I had no control. And I didn't because I had no system. But once I started stocking the right food, eating in the right time windows, and keeping snacks for at work instead of at home, everything changed. I wasn't confused anymore. I wasn't tempted anymore. I was just prepared. This stuff right here is basically stuff I can mix with my meals, right? So, I know the apple and the sweet potato probably could be used as snacks and the avocado, but I just mix those with meals, okay? But the snacks that I eat are typically like these things, okay? So they have like pumpkin seeds are spicy, right? And then trail mix, they have chocolate and fruit and nuts in there, right? And these are natural grocers, like $1 or $1.50, okay? And then this one, these are good too. This is the lemon macro bar. Oh my God, I love this one. And the peanut butter, okay? So I like these. So what I'm gonna do with these, I might have 1 or 2 of these a day at work after I'm done with my lunch, maybe in an hour or two after, around 2 o'clock or 3, I'll have one of these, right? Before I go home. But like I said in the video, I'm not going to have anything here at the house. This stuff is going to my work. It's going in my lunchbox. It's going to my work. I won't see it. It won't be in this house all week. Okay? There'll be nothing else in this house that has to do with snacks unless it's maybe a piece of an apple. And then sometimes if I have an apple in the fridge, what I'll do
is I'll put half of the apple in my smoothie. I'll eat half of the apple maybe with my dinner, with my salad, and on the side. And then that way I have no apples left in my house. So that way I won't wake up at 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, or I won't go to the fridge at 8 o'clock, or wake up at 10 o'clock and go and eat an apple that's going to mess up my whole diet. Because the trick is that if you guys eat anything that's not in your time windows, then that's probably going to stick to you and mess up your whole diet. So, anyway, that's about it. Have a great day, you guys, and bye, Henry. Say bye. Bye, Henry. Bye, bye, bye.